Okay everyone, it's time to show you a brand new product. This is the S1R Baton Mark II. This one was just newly released of today, 21st September. And this one is throwing out a massive 1000 lumens on turbo. So we're going to crack it open, show you what you get in the box, and go over a couple of comparisons and what we've improved on based on what you guys have said. So we do listen to our customers, and based on what you guys have told us, some of the changes that we've made to the S1R series. So let's get into it. In the box, of course, we get our torch, which we're going to go over that there in a minute. Also, new and improved charging cable, which is a thinner cable and slightly different design, just more rounded off, which I really like. And instead of the charge LED being here at the end, it's actually just underneath the Olight symbol, and that will show you when it's green when it's fully charged, red when it's charging. And of course, a lanyard. And also what we've included is a battery box. So if you're storing the battery outside of the torch, then you've got this handy battery box which can take 2 of the CR123 batteries, which is handy. So the way I actually carry this is with 2 spare batteries. So I've got 3 batteries in total, but we do give you that there in the box as well. So let's have a look at the torch. Here it is with our squared knurling on it, which is really nice. It's textured, okay, so you can feel it no problem, but it's not rough on the hands. It gives you a really good grip. New and improved pocket clip. So comparing from the S1R, we listened to our customers, and we removed this part of the pocket clip that's just indented in there, and so you have a nicer pocket clip. And of course, you can use that there part for under a baseball cap or whatever, so you can wear it as an emergency sort of head torch as well. And on the other side, again, there's your knurling and our brand on it, and your magnetic base for your charger. So this is pumping out 1000 lumens, so an improvement on the last one. And of course, it is actually smaller as well. So side by side comparison, there's a couple of mil difference. I think it was 2 to 3 mil difference in the size from the S1R. Also from the battery, instead of the tail cap coming off the bottom, comes off midsection here to split into 2, and with our magnet being down here, the battery stays in there, so you just give it a wee flick to get your battery out. And of course, I've marked my batteries 1, 2 and 3 because I carry some spares, so I know which one is used and then which one is charged up. So that's quite nice that the battery just stays in there, and just give it a wee flick to come out. So this is a new and improved LED that we're using. We're using a TIR lens, and say a brand new and improved LED, which we're going to do some nighttime filming for you here, which will be inlaid, and you can see the difference. So this is, say, brand new. Also on our on the button, you've got your normal press. You can see that's lit up green now. That's to show that the battery is okay. That will then go down to amber and then to red. So amber when you've hit, sort of medium level, and then red when it needs to be charged up, so you're nearly empty. So you have an indication of how long your battery life is. Modes are the same. I'll just turn the studio lights off here. So the modes are the same as sort of most Olight torches when you pick them up. If you've had one before, you know pretty much the layout. So single press on. This is our clearest LED that we've done. The pattern in here, there's 0 hot spots in that there at all. It's very, very nicely spread out. And say going from on, second through, low, medium and high. And of course we still have our moonlight mode. Double press and the turbo, which will give you the 1000 lumens, and then triple press the strobe as before. Also, a feature that we have is we've got a timer. So 2 options for a 3-minute timer and a 9-minute timer. So while the torch is on and you've set it to the level you want it at, so that's me on medium, if I double press and hold till it flicks there, now that's on a timer. That'll be on 3 minutes. That quick flash there will indicate that this is now going to turn off automatically after 3 minutes. When you press and hold, when it goes for the 2 flashes, it will be 9 minutes. To get out of it, cancel it, just push the button and that'll turn it off. So just to give you the run times, you have 1000 lumens, that'll go for 1.5 minutes, and it steps down to 300 for 37 minutes. High 600, and again step down to 300, and then you have your medium and then your moonlight. 8 days total runtime on this, a brand new LED and a new system, so we're really happy with how this has turned out. Still IPX level 8, so waterproof down to 2 meters, impact resistant, and throw 145 meters. And say it is slightly smaller than the S1R original. So we think it's a really good upgrade comparing the two. S1R has always been a great flagship torch, but we think the Mark II is definitely out there, and we really like it. So hopefully you do too. Any questions, you can of course drop us a message. For the UK store, it's just contact@olightstore.uk, and follow us on Facebook, which will be Olight UK on Facebook. On Instagram, you can follow us at olight.uk, and all the links will be in the description of the video or up on the screen for all our social media. So we really like this. I hope you do too. And say lanyard holes here and here. Cracking torch. Going to show you some nighttime footage coming in through here, but we really like this, and definitely competitive pricing. If you want to check our website for the latest prices, we always have offers on as well, so please do check in with that. So thanks for watching. See you later.